Welcome to the module 3, lecture 3, where we will talk about smart sensing for structural health monitoring. The first foremost question comes, what are smart sensors? Sensors with embedded microprocessors and wireless communication. Links are called smart sensors. Smart sensors are very useful in wireless sensor networking. This is the most updated system in structural health monitoring scheme. Let us ask another question, what are the advantages of smart sensors? It has an ability to continuously monitor the integrity of the structure, in real time. And can provide improved safety to the public, particularly in case of aging structures. For example, let us say bridges. The second advantage is it has an ability to detect damage at an early stage. Which can then reduce the cost of repair and also reduce the shutdown time of the structure. Thirdly, it is helpful in predicting or observing initiation of damage or any other undesirable behavior of the structure. For example, settlement of supports, fatigue formation, etc. Therefore, they can be helpful to generate advance warning of removal of the structure or making it inoperational due to safety regulations. So, essentially it can prevent serious disasters which are actually structural damages. Now, smart sensors more or less are wireless. Let us compare them with wired sensors. In conventional wired sensors, there are many number of wires. Sometimes there can be fiber optic cables or physical transmission medium, which may be a problem becomes a serious issue in case of long span bridges or tall buildings. On the other hand, wireless sensors have low cost and densely distributed network. There are rapid advances which happen in wireless sensors, like wireless communications, micro electro mechanical systems, which is MEMS, people also use advanced information technology to enhance the structural health monitoring quality. Sensors are also available nowadays with self calibration, self diagnosis capabilities. If you look at the architectural design of sensors, essentially sensors have three components, namely the sensing element, signal condition and processing, and the third component is the sensor interface. Sensing element essentially consists of a resistor, a capacitor, a piezoelectric module and photodiode, etc. Signal condition and processing consists of amplifiers or amplification, linearization, compensation and filtering. Sensor interface consists of wires, flags, sockets to communicate with other electronic components. So, there is an essential difference between the smart sensor and the conventional sensor. Let us see what is the difference. The essential difference is smart sensors have microprocessor on board. Makes them intelligent. Let us see how. Microprocessors can perform the following functions: digital processing, analog to digital converter, ADC, or frequency code converter, they can also calculate and interface functions which can facilitate self diagnosis, self identification and self adaptability. That is, they can be also useful to some extent on decision making. It can also enable to control storage of data or dumping the data. More importantly, it can decide when to remain in operation and when to go in sleep mode. So, this can save power to a larger extent. So, presence of microprocessors makes the sensor intelligent in many ways.